What's up guys, Brian from Lean by Doing, and I'm working on a labeling project in my warehouse, and it sent me down a really big rabbit hole on what is the best label printer for a lean business. So let's dig in. Most people that are starting with label makers, they're gonna buy something like this. It's cheap, it's easy. This is just a PT M95. Nothing fancy about it. The stinking part about this is that all the numbers are like shift keys. So if you're using a lot of numeric part numbers, it's always constantly sitting there shifting to do that. And you just type in what you want, hit print. So then you press this thing to cut it off. Now we have a label. This particular label right here is kind of a matte finish or a flat finish. It's not the most durable thing in the world, but it works. And it's a good label to start with as it's low cost and low entry. Okay, that's cool. Let's step up to the next thing. Now we're looking at this bad jammer right here. And this is the P-Touch Edge by Brother. And this thing is a super nice printer. Allows you to do barcode, a lot of other things. And it prints a little faster, uses the same cartridges as some of the bigger models from here. It's handheld, rechargeable with a USB-C. And this is a great option as well. Same thing, you can just type in here. Nice thing, it's a QWERTY keyboard, as well as it has the numbers right across the top, so it makes it a lot easier to get in there and put your numeric part numbers in. Same thing, you just go ahead and enter what you want. All right, so here's your new label. Now we're stepping up the quality of the label. As you can see here, this is like a glossier laminated version. These hold up so much better in an environment like this. And the cool thing is it actually gives you this little tab here to pull. So it cuts it like that, but it also cuts in down the middle. So it splits it down the middle like this. So it's a lot easier to get this label off of and apply it to where you need to apply. So now we're gonna step up to a whole different level of label printer, and that is the P-Touch 900. Now this thing is kind of their flagship printer for labels. It has to be plugged into a computer, and you have to use their P-Touch editing software, which is super cool. This is a fast printer. It's just a little bit inconvenient if you don't have a rolling cart with it built into a laptop or a print station or whatnot. Same thing, prints these nice labels just like the other one did. The serrated edge, the split, and then also, it does the same thing where it splits the back down the middle as well, so it's easy to get the label off and apply it. So I'm gonna try to show you the difference between the P-Touch 900 and the P-Touch Edge. So if you're looking at the top one came out of the P-Touch 900, the bottom one came out of the Edge. You'll see that this is a clearer number. This is a little more pixelated. Not a huge deal. The big difference is going to come in the amount of time it takes to print these, and the P-Touch 900 by far prints way faster than the Edge does. So now let's talk about the technology side of both of the Edge and the P-Touch 900. Now both of these are Bluetooth compatible, so they will work with their app. Now I'll tell you, the app is not good. It is frustrating, it's hard to format, but it's usable. Both of these also can be hooked up to the computer and use their P-Touch editor software, which is actually a really good software. Another problem I ran into with the app was I would get these non-supported errors. Basically, the text that I was using in the app would not work on the printers, and that's something that happens both on the Edge as well as on the 900. Both of these printers allow you to interface with your computer and then work with their P-Touch editor software. And their software is great. And you can do a lot of really creative things with your labels, and you can print to either one of these printers without an issue whatsoever. Now we're looking at the P-Touch editor software. As you can see, they have all different kinds of label options: organization, retail, shipping and address, media, organization, asset management, barcode, identification. So there's a lot of options in here, and you can also just create your own label using their new label thing, and then from there you can insert text, frame, image, barcode. What I think is really cool about the editor software is you're able to actually bring in an Excel sheet. So as you can see here, I have my little barcode label and part number built and a format, and now when I bring the part number up and save it over the number, and then the barcode itself, I save over the barcode. From there, every time you click on a different one, it will update the label. What's my final pick? My final pick is the P-Touch 900. I'm gonna use this setup. I'm gonna build a cart with a computer and basically build a print station that can be mobile out on the shop floor, allow me to print labels really quick. But the most important thing is I can actually create templates in the P-Touch editor software, and then my entire team can use the same templates so that we have some uniformity on our labels throughout the entire building. As always, thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe and follow us for more content just like this. Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.